In this video, we'll discuss section B of cbse 2023 science paper. Question number 21, they have asked you to name a plant hormone and how it helps in phototropism. So that is auxin, and it shifts to the shaded side in the plant shoot in presence of light and promotes the growth on that side. So plant bends towards the light. Suppose this is a plant, so auxin will shift to this side if sun is on this side, and it will promote the growth and it will bend like this in front of the sun. Question number 22, you have an option, but I have discussed both the questions. A part is they have given you that if you add a dilute HCl to copper oxide, what will be the color change and what is the name of the compound formed. Copper true chloride will be formed and blue is the color. An equation I have already written that will give you CuCl2 and water, that is a neutralization reaction. Question number B, they have asked you to identify Y, Z, X and B. Electrolysis of brine solution has been given. So X is brine solution. At cathode you will get hydrogen gas, at anode you will get chlorine gas, and when it reacts with slaked lime it will give you bleaching powder. So that is the substance B. Question number 23, they have given you two plants. So both are kept in the absence of oxygen, one in sunlight and one in dark. So that kept in sunlight will survive because photosynthesis helps in releasing oxygen, which helps the plant in respiration. Therefore plant survives, while the plant kept in dark will not survive because of the absence of photosynthesis. Question number 24, they have asked you another name of tissue fluid. So that is lymph, and you can write any two functions of lymph, that is transport of respiratory gases, produce antibodies, and thus protects our bodies from antigens or nutritive function, you can write. Question number 25, why garden are considered as ecosystem? Because ecosystem is a combination of biotic and abiotic components, where plants are biotic components and they are indirectly or directly affected by light, water, mineral and soil, which are abiotic components. So because both are combined together in a system is termed as ecosystem. So garden is a ecosystem. Section C, question number 27, you have been given three compounds, YCl, NH4X and ZCO3. In A part, the answer will be pH 7 because sodium chloride solution is neutral solution. NaOH and HCl both are strong acid and bases, and both gives you a neutral solution. So pH is 7 here. Ammonium nitrate will have a pH of 5.46, that is slightly acidic because nitric acid is a strong acid and ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. So it will give you orange to yellow color in universal indicator. Potassium carbonate is basic in solution according to the hydrolysis of salt. Carbonic acid is a weak acid and potassium hydroxide is a strong base. So basic solution doesn't change the color of blue litmus paper, so it will remain blue. Question number 28, why acid is added in electrolysis of water? So increase the ionization of ions of water, because pure water is a poor conductor of electricity. So to increase the dissociation of the ions or formation of ions in water, we add a little amount of dilute H2SO4. At cathode you will get hydrogen gas, at anode you will get oxygen gas, and the ratio between them is 1:2 because they have asked you ratio between anodic and cathodic gas. So answer is 1:2. What will you observe on the thermal photochemical decomposition of silver chloride? So you will get silver metal and chlorine gas. So you can write the color of silver metal, that is grayish white, and greenish yellow gas will be evolved, and the type of reaction is photochemical decomposition reaction. How paramecium obtains its food? By predation, using its cilia to capture the prey, and which is directed to the oral groove. Next, 4 functions have been asked of HCl in digestive system. So HCl in stomach kills the germs which enters along with the food in our body. Trypsin help in digesting protein into simpler amino acids. Muscular walls of stomach help in peristalsis and moving the food forward into the small intestine. And salivary amylase, also called as ptyalin, is present in mouth and digests the complex starch into simpler glucose molecules. So these are the answers of section B and C, and the further section I will discuss in next video. I just want to tell you that some questions in section A, I have seen other videos also, so they have slightly different answer, but according to me these are the answers. So I have mentioned why these are the answers, so you can see which answer is much more correct, because according to the wordings given in the paper, the answers which I have selected is correct, but maybe other answer sheets have different answers. Thank you.